Hey guys, welcome to Style Trails. It's me Shreeja. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my Club Factory haul. So those of you who don't know what Club Factory is, it is an app where you get all the products at a really cheap price. So I just want to brief you guys before we actually get on to the video. So it's an international shopping app and the products take about 10 to 15 days to reach you. And they offer free shipping over rupees 1948, and if you shop below that, then the shipping charges are only 127 rupees, which is quite okay if you don't want to spend directly 2000 bucks on anything. And since the products are pretty cheap over there, I guess it is okay to pay 127 bucks for shipping as well. If you want to purchase a certain product from this haul, all you have to do is search the product by its item number and you will get it. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I have is a pretty pink wallet with a small crown. So it has one compartment and a few slots for the cards and a small coin pouch which is detachable. The quality of the product is good and the stitching is clean as well. Next I have this manicure tool. So this is meant for pushing your cuticles back and cleaning your nails. Then I got these really cute pink sunglasses. So these are cat eyes with a silver rim. So I was really skeptical about buying this, but after looking at this product and how it looks on me, I am really happy with it. Then I have a pack of eyebrow razors. These are a pack of 3 and for the price it's a damn good deal. So every razor has a protective cover which I like, and this is how the product looks. Then I have this multi-layer dainty necklace. So as you can see, the alignment is not really proper. I can always fix it, but receiving a product completely out of alignment is not right. Okay, so leaving about the faults, the product is really nice, although it will get darker as I use it because the quality is not that good. Next I have another dainty necklace. So this is a 2-layered choker and this looks really pretty, but I've used it for a day and the color has already started to be a little darker. So for the price, it's okay, not a big deal. Then I have this earring set and this is an amazing deal for 9 earrings and they look really pretty. And the back is not pointy, so it doesn't really hurt. Okay, so I saw the exact same pack of 9 earrings in H&M and they were about 350 or 380. So I guess this is an amazing deal. Next I have this triangle marble bracelet and it looks really pretty and the quality is also kind of great. So I'm hoping this doesn't turn dark as the necklaces did. Next I have this cute little 4-ball keychain and this is so soft and so cute. I saw the same in Forever 21 and the fur was so rough and it was not soft at all, and it was around 250 or 280. So yeah, I guess this is a really good deal and even the handle and everything looks good. So the next purchase is my favorite one. So I got these really beautiful, gorgeous and cute makeup brushes. So these are a pack of 7 brushes and I got this for the best price. I mean 300 for 7 brushes and they look so damn beautiful. So the bristles are super soft and the brushes pick up quite a lot of product and they look super cute overall. I am planning to do like a makeup brush review and suggestion video for makeup brushes in a budget. So if you want a video like that, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so the last product is also my favorite. So I got this really cute backpack. This has only one compartment and a small pocket inside. So the fabric quality is good. The chain seems kind of rough while actually handling it, but it's fine for the price, I guess. So the thing that happened is that I actually used the bag before filming this video and the back strap broke while I was traveling and the stitching actually was loose and it came off, which is not really good, but that makes me doubt the whole quality of the bag. So yeah. So these were all the products that I got, but I ordered 2 more things and they both got cancelled, and the reason that I saw is that the price of the both products was increased drastically after the order was cancelled. Like this bag was for about 178 and now it is around 480 or something, and these slide-ons were about 250 or 300 and then they drastically increased it to 1000 rupees, which is insane. And the reason given to me was the item was missing, but I think the price increasing is the reason itself. So anyways, that is all for today's video. those are all the things that I got, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all next week.